Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix ChatGPT error, sorry you have been blocked. Okay, first things first, sometimes the error may be due to data stored by the OpenAI site in your browser. So what you want to do is to open your browser and access your browser settings. In the Privacy and Security section, select the Site Settings and then Cookies and Site Data. And finally, click on See All Site Data and Permissions. Search for openai.com and delete the site data and cookies. And finally, refresh the page and log back into your account. And this should resolve the issue for most users. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix ChatGPT error, sorry you have been blocked. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.